In this video, I will show you how you can lock apps with different passwords on any iPad. Now to do that, first of all, just open the App Store and search the name of the app which you want to lock. For example, I will search Roblox. And after you do that, now just capture a screenshot of this app. Now this will make a sense in a bit. Now just select the screenshot which we have captured and crop the screenshot just like that. And after you crop the screenshot, then just tap on Done and select Save to Photos. After you've done that, now just go to your home screen and open the Shortcuts app. Now under All Shortcuts, just tap on the plus icon over here. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just select Ask for Input, and in the text section, just select Number. After that, just tap on Prompt and enter your question. For example, I will type Enter passcode. Now this is the text which will appear when you try to open the app when it is locked. After you enter this text, then in the search bar, just search this. Select If. Then in the number section, just enter your code. For example, I will create this code. After you do that, then just go back to the search section and search this. Now just tap on Open App. And in the app section, just select the app which you want to lock. Now in our case, it is Roblox, so I will select Roblox. And after you've done that, now just drag the Open App shortcut and move it upward and set it below If and above Otherwise. After you've done that, now in the search bar, just search this. Tap on Show Alert. And over here, just enter the text which you want to be shown when you enter a wrong code. For example, I'll type wrong passcode. After you've done that, now just drag the Show Alert shortcut upward beneath Otherwise. Now after you've done all of that, then just tap on the drop down arrow over here and select Rename. Now just give a name to the shortcut which we have created. For example, I will name it Roblox. After you do that, then just tap on Done and tap on the eye icon over here. Now just select Add to Home Screen, then tap on Image. Now just select Choose Photo. And in the Photos app, just select the Roblox icon which we have extracted from the screenshot. Then select Use. And after you do that, now just tap on Add. Now if you go to your home screen, you will find the Roblox shortcut which we have created. As you can see, this is the original app. And this is the shortcut which we have created. Now if I tap on the shortcut, it will ask us to enter the passcode. Now if I enter the correct passcode, then tap on Done. As you can see, we have successfully opened Roblox. But if I tap on the shortcut again, but this time let's enter wrong passcode. Now let's tap on Done. It will say that we have entered a wrong passcode. Just like that. And if you don't want anyone to access the original app, just tap and hold on the original app and select Remove. Now just tap on Remove from home screen. And after you do that, you will only be able to use the shortcut of the app which we have created. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.